so we are here for part 2, which is all of my setting sprays, prep sprays, and oils. I obviously have a lot here. We have a ton, so we're gonna go through, declutter. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I know you can't see my face, but I figured this was far more interesting. So I hope you guys enjoy. You decide to subscribe and stay a while. I'm doing a whole declutter series. I gotta go through all my stuff. There's just too much makeup. It's driving me insane. So here I am decluttering a lot of it. Some of it I'm giving away, some I'm throwing away, some I'm donating, some I'm selling on Mercari. So you can check the link down below if you're interested in purchasing anything that I end up putting up there. I do clothes and other things too, but anyways, we're doing this today. So where do I begin? Let's start with this one. This is the Revolution Beauty Sport Fix Extra Hold. I've never tried this, but I know that there's some that I really like that I don't want to part with, so I'm going to part with this one. Let's get these out of the way. These are the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer Water Spray, Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. One of my all-time favorite. This one's actually almost gone. It's what I'm currently using, so I'm gonna put that back over by my makeup. I'm gonna hang on to these because I really, really love these. I use these to prep my face every single day before I get ready, and then sometimes I'll set or refresh my makeup, and then they sent me a little travel size. So I'm gonna hang on to these because I really love them. They're my go-to favorite ones. They smell like coconut. It's refreshing. This one has probiotics in it, skin revivers, coconut water. Very, very nice. So I'm holding on to these. It may seem like overkill, but literally I go through these like crazy. Holding on to this one as well. This is the Peach Mist Mattifying Spray. I really like this one. You definitely want to shake it because if you don't, it will leave like little white speckles on your face. But I love it. It smells delicious, and it's great for the summertime. So I'm gonna keep that one. Revlon Photo Ready. I'm gonna pass this on. I haven't even tried this, but I know there's other ones that I really like, so I'm gonna pass this on. I have 2 of these mattifying cover effects, so I'm only gonna keep one, and then I'm gonna pass the other one on because I like to have more of a mattifying one in the summer. So this one is probably halfway gone already. So this will be like my backup matte one. The NYX Matte Finish finishing spray. I'm gonna pass this along as well, just because I don't think I've ever used it, and I have 2 matte ones that I already really like. This is the All Nighter spray. I am currently using this one to set my makeup, so I'm gonna keep that one. It's almost gone. I probably have about this much left in it, so I'm gonna put this back over by my makeup section. This is what I've been using to set my makeup, and then I use the Hangover RX to prep my skin before I go in with primers. Seems like overkill, but literally it's amazing. I have a De-Slick, a Chill, what's this one? An All-Nighter, and another De-Slick. Okay, I have 2 De-Slicks, so I'm gonna pass one along. This one's a oil control one. So this one in the summer, when it starts to get really, really hot, I may switch out for something like this as a prep spray, just to help control oil because it gets so hot here. So I'm gonna pass this one on, and I'll keep this one. This is the Chill Makeup Cooling and Hydrating Spray. I love this to put in my purse or in my like beach bag. So when it's really hot, you just kind of need to refresh your skin. I'm gonna keep that one. I have 2 all-nighters. I can probably pass one along. I'll pass this one along because it has not been opened, and I'll keep this one because the one that I'm using is almost finished. This is the Tatcha Luminous. Oh, I love this so much, and I'm almost out. It's like down to here. So I'm keeping this because it's almost gone. It's a great luminous, dewy, glowy skin mist, so I'm keeping that, and it's pretty much finished. This is the Hydrating Gel Mist from e.l.f. This is the weirdest thing. I tried this in a testing new products. It's like a gel, and when it sprays out like a gel on your face. So I didn't really love this. I'm gonna pass that on. The primer water from Smashbox. I love this stuff. This one's my #1 favorite next to the Hangover RX. Again, I go through these like crazy. This is their traditional one, and then these are the scented ones that they collabed with Nicole Concilio on. So I don't like the Serene Greens very much, but I love the citrus and the coconut, but I'm keeping these because I just freaking love the Smashbox primer water. This just seems like I'm not doing very well, but I feel like I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. This actually needs to go in my bathroom. The Makeup Fixing Mist. I use these pixie sprays every single morning in my skincare routine. So I will cleanse my face and tone, and then I spray my skin with one of these. And then I go in with my skincare, and I absolutely love these pixie mists for my skincare routine. So I'm going to put that in my bathroom. All right, the Urban Decay All Nighter. Here's another one. This one's very old, so I'm actually going to pass or throw this one away because I already kept an all nighter and I already am finishing one. So I'm gonna pass this to the trash. All right, this is the Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. I actually might go throw this in my gym bag or in my like lake bag to use alongside with the other one that I had. I don't know where it went, but the Chill. Because these are just really nice and refreshing, especially in the summertime. So I'll keep that one. I'm keeping all these little baby Fix Pluses because I just go through Fix Plus like crazy. These were like limited edition, I think. Maybe they still have them. Lavender, coconut, and rose. So they're just the small travel size ones, which I really like. L'Oreal Infallible. I'm going to pass this along since I've kept so many of those Urban Decay ones. But that's a great setting spray. This is the current MAC Fix Plus that I'm using. It has been over like on my vanity, so I'm keeping that and putting that back over there. I'm going to pass on this ZRRUJG Mystified Mist. Is this the peach one? I don't know what scent this is, but I don't really love these. I'm gonna actually probably throw this one away. I've had it for a while. Okay, this is the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. I'm gonna pass that along. I don't think I've ever used it. I have two of these Polish Choice Refreshing Moisture Mist. I think I'll keep one and pass the other one on because I've never tried this, and Polish Choice is actually pretty good skincare. It doesn't really have a scent, but I'll give it a go because I haven't tried it yet. Laura Geller Spackle Mist. I've never tried this. I don't even remember where I got this. I might hold on to it because I have not tried it yet and see how I like it. This is just a travel size of, like you can put the Polish Choice one in there and then spritz it, which I think is kind of cool. How do I, oh, there we go. All right, the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. I actually like this for traveling. It's a pretty good little setting spray. I feel like I'm not doing very well. This is a little de-slick. I'm gonna keep, am I gonna keep this? I'm gonna toss this because I think I've had this for a really long time. All right, the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydro Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. I'm gonna keep this. I wonder if this is like the B6 one. They sent me a ton of these and I literally haven't gotten around to using them because I have so many. So I'm gonna keep this because I haven't tried it and I do like their sprays. This spray is nice. This is a nice spray, but the nozzle is like insane. Like it camel spits on you. But I'm gonna keep it because it was expensive and I do like it. I might have to depot it. I'm really not doing very well here, you guys. Okay, then I have oils. I have 3 of these Smashbox primer oils. I obviously have not really used them very much, so I'll pass 2 along and I'll keep 1. Okay. These are from MAC and it's their essential oils. I need to start using oils like when I do my like foundation. This one is in yuzu. This one is in sweet orange and lavender and grapefruit and chamomile. I'm gonna keep these because I really want to start experimenting more with oils. So I'll keep these. This is a Prep and Prime essential oil stick. I'm gonna pass this on. I've never used it. I don't quite really know how to use it. So I'm gonna pass that on. I'm gonna pass on this little, actually I'm gonna keep this because it's empty and refill it. Put that in my travel pile. What is this? This is a Bobbi Brown face oil. I think this should just go maybe in my bathroom. I'm gonna put that in my bathroom. And the Makeup Forever HD Skin Booster. I'll keep that because I haven't tried that yet and I really want to experiment with oils. And I have a Versali unicorn one that's somewhere in here that I do not know where it's at the moment. I'm gonna keep that one as well because I really like it. CoverGirl Lock Up ones. I'm gonna pass both of these on because I'm already keeping so many. So I decluttered 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's pretty good. I got rid of 18. I sure kept a lot, but the point is I got rid of 18 of them. So I'll show you what I store them in if I can find it. Where did it go? So this is what I store them in. This just says oils and sprays. Obviously they're not all gonna fit in here, so mainly I'll just put all of my oils in here. And then the smaller travel size sprays. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out the other Declutter series. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!